the 1 Minute Reading Tutor. The letters AU and AW both say ah. We use AU in the middle of words because we do not end English words with the letter U. AW can be used at the end of a root word or before the letters N, L, or K. There are also a few other words that use AW in the middle of the word, such as dawdle. We have fault, fraud, vault, author, audio, August, saw, draw, lawn, sprawl, squawk, and dawdle. In the description of this video, you can find a PDF with extra words to practice. You can also find more short and full-length videos for teaching your children to read by subscribing to my channel.